Hello, my dear students. Do you think you are facing problems in paper 4 IGCSE writing? Yes. Most of the students think IGCSE French paper is all about French, but actually, you lose marks because of strategy mistakes. And if you fix just these three things, you can definitely jump from B to A star. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how. What paper 4 really tests? Paper 4 is not about checking if you know difficult words. It's checking, can you follow simple instructions? Can you communicate clearly? Can you structure your answers smartly? Students who use simple French correctly score higher than those trying to show off your content or your marks. Biggest mistakes that students make. I'll tell you a story of a student of mine. I had a student, she knew all advanced French and all advanced vocabulary, but still got average marks. Why? First, because she did not read the bullet points. She ignored the bullet points. You must, every bullet point is important. If you miss one, you will lose marks. Writing too much or too little. It's not about essays. You're not writing essays. You need to write exactly what is needed. And if you have memorized answers, examiners can immediately spot and you will lose marks. So the A star strategy is the you have to decode the questions. Before writing anything, stop. Ask yourself, what tense is required? Who am I writing to? How many points are there? Then use the structure. You have to have very simple formula to write. You should write basic sentences, details, like je vais au cinéma. If you had to write it like this, you would have to say je y vais parce que c'est amusant. Don't try to impress. Try to correct. A simple correct sentence scores more than complicated wrong ones. Do you want an A star? Yes. Add one opinion, one reason, and one different tense. Example, let me show you how a student writes versus how a topper writes. So, basic, j'aime les vacances. If you had to write it in a better way, you could write j'aime les vacances parce que je peux me détendre avec ma famille. L'année dernière, je suis allé à Paris. Here, if you follow these strategies for paper fun, it will become very easier and you would be able to grow and write high. Comment French and I'll send you a checklist that you can use for your exams. And if you like this content, do follow Nisha's French classes for more exam hacks.